A Cambodian academic on Saturday said Cambodia is still suffering from the United States' unexploded ordnance and landmines, which are the legacy of the U.S.-Vietnam War 50 years ago.
Every day, somewhere in Cambodia, poor people are becoming the victim of this unexploded ordnance and the landmine. Most of the victims are farmer, laborer, and the children accidentally stepping up this landmine in field, forest, and abandoned buildings. I strongly believe the USA is morally responsible for the suffering of these people and ethically and legally bound to adequately compensate the family of those who have lost their lives and injured. I would like to urge the United States to respect the territorial of the other country and human life and not interfere in other countries' internal affairs under the pretext of democracy and human rights. The American double standard of peace and democracy, human rights are not only creating a chaos and turmoil in the world, but also destroying the peace, democracy, and human rights. From Vietnam War to Iraq, Afghanistan, invasion resulted in nothing but more chaos, instability, and global threat to the peace and security of the vulnerable and small country.
According to Cambodian government figures, from 1979 to 2021, landmines and unexploded ordnance had killed 19,808 people and injured 45,156 others in the Southeast Asian nation.